Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Wednesday the 5th of March. It's just gone around 11 AM and of course you can see where I am, and we are here just to do a nice update. And right here, if I zoom in here a little bit, we can see Desmond, and he's hacking into that side of the building, but I think he could break through onto that side, the Chapel Street side, soon, maybe in the next few minutes, maybe in the next half hour, who knows. But also we have got Skylar, who's working hard over there, Desmond's little sibling, and as I said in the beginning, Skylar's doing the tidying and sorting. Well, Desmond's doing all the heavy lifting. So I do want to see Desmond breaking through, but I also would like to get at an angle where you folks can see sort of inside. So that's going to me walking down this slope a little bit, and seeing if we can get a good angle. I mean, that's a good angle, but the trees are in the way. So there's been a lot done yesterday, what I missed. And I came at tea time yesterday. And I left I think about 4 o'clock, so they must have carried on warning steep slope for about an hour and a half. And in that hour and a half they've done so much. So I'm going to pop the camera down there. Going maybe a little bit further here. There we go. Right, come on, let's zoom in now. I mean, true, we can't see Skylar from here, but we do have a good view of Desmond. And an entirely different view. A nice unobstructed balance. Oh, what's going on? Oh, he's going to knock that big thing down. Somebody did comment on my video yesterday how it's a shame I'd left at the time I did, because I missed that big roof collapse. I mean, when I say roof collapse, that sounds dramatic, but it's a controlled, deliberate roof collapse, not just like an oh my gosh, the building's collapsing roof collapse. Back a little bit, change the angle a bit, maybe that's a bit better. Go on, Desmond. Woohoo! I mean, Chapel Street could be potentially a good place to film, to get that collapse from that side, but I can see there are people, somebody is filming from that side, so if you're watching a lot of these demolition videos, you will get both views. So I think I'm going to stay here. I mean, that tree is a little bit in the way, but I think here is pretty much the best spot. Oh, we're going to come down, we're going to have a bit. Okay, go, 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 go. That's good. Yeah, I think we're going to see some good stuff in this video, guys, so I think you're going to enjoy this one. Yeah, that front side, that Chapel Street side, I think is going to come down really quickly. And I'm not going to zoom in because I think it's best that you get the whole view. It's going to pull that inwards. said yesterday, this is about as near as you can get to watching a live filmed feed. Go on Desmond, where you going? Get back and get that big heap of glassy window wall down, because if we see that, that's going to be a massive change, and we're going to see that live while we're here. Go on Desmond, give it a grab. It's going to come down. This is going to be the bit. This is my best video yet, I think, of this demolition. Look, it's going to hook that down, give it a good old pull, and all that glass and concrete is just going to jump down. Well, I assume he's going to do it. Come on Desmond, the world is waiting. There we go, he's going for it. Chomp and pull, and the whole thing is down now. Look guys, you've seen that whole side come down. Well, the whole top bit of that wall on that side come down. I think next week the joke shop is coming down as well, so we're going to have 2 bits to film, and I will probably, when I film the joke shop, I'll make that a different playlist, so it won't be like Chapel Street Buildings Demolition Part 20 whatever. It will be Central Drive Joke Shop Demolition Part 1, so you'll know what you're watching, and hopefully I'll be able to get both. Meals today, isn't he? Pulling everything down. I can't wait to see that big high bit at the top come down. That's going to be great. Hopefully that'll happen when I'm here. And I think when I finish this video and I do the next one, so I'm going to try and stay for a bit today and do 2 or 3. I think I'll stay in the same spot, because this is the sweet spot for filming this bit, I think. Today though, I am working this afternoon, but not only am I working this afternoon, I'm doing extra hours, so I've got to get there earlier than usual. So yeah, there is going to be that. Good. It'd be better if those trees weren't there, but we can't really complain, can we guys? A great angle. I mean, when I filmed Wilco's coming down, similar type of building, you know, huge empty space, big concrete blocks, lots of concrete and rebar. We couldn't get any angles from the inside out sort of thing because of the way you could film. You could only really film on Dixon Road or Talbot Road, and then part of the way through that demolition, if you watched it, they put up those big blue hoarding fences around, so it was could only really film through the gates, and it was like super hard to get any good video. At least here we're alright, and even if we put the big blue fences around, that's still not going to impede our view, is it? So we're going to be alright. Well guys, I am going to end this video now, but I will start recording the next one straight after, so you won't really miss anything. So for this video I'm going to say thank you for watching, goodbye, and I shall be right back filming the next one. Bye.